Uh, Respected President, All Assam Minority Student Union, respected legal advisor, All Assam Minority Student Union, advisor, All Assam Minority Students Union, and a respected guest, Darsanam Mitraji, and all the cadres of All Assam Minority Student Union, be it of the central level or the district level, and all other AAMSU loving supporters and former AAMSU cadres. We are glad to have you in this August hall. As it has been already explained by our moderator, this symposium is all about fighting for justice, bringing the state issue in the national forum. We all know how the people of Assam has been suffering, be it the issue of citizenship, be it the issue of NRC. Around 19 lakhs people have been left out from NRC, and they don't know why their name has been excluded. As per norms, as per rules, they were required to given a fair chance to challenge that exclusion. They were supposed to give a rejection slip. Their parents have been included in the NRC, their family members have been included in the NRC, but they are left out of the NRC. There are many such cases. But some politicians, some hate mongers, has been delaying the process, doing contempt against the Supreme Court that ought to have been carried out till now, but they has failed. And 19 lakhs people whose name were excluded, fate is in dark. They don't know where their future lies. So we are here to discuss the NRC as well as the citizenship issues. Today also, hundreds and thousands of citizens in Assam are receiving summons from Foreigners Tribunal. They are asked to prove their citizenship. They have been living in India, most particularly in Assam, since decades, and some from over a century. But they require to prove their citizenship. And further, if we all know, the scope of foreigners' law is so narrow that the scope to prove their citizenship is very thin. It's kind of a draconian law. And hundreds of them are still living in detention centers. It has been said in the national arena, in the national platform, there is no detention centers in India. But being an Assamese from Assam, we can loudly with responsibility say there are around 5 detention centers in Assam, and hundreds of Assamese people are lodged here. And further, the government of Assam has recently resorted to the bulldozer politics that we have heard about in UP. Hundreds and thousands of families have lost their land due to river Brahmaputra's erosion, as we all know. Hectares of land, lakhs of hectares of land, as per government record, has been eroded. These people, these citizens who used to live in the bank of Brahmaputra since decades, they have lost their Miyadi Patta, their genuine lands. It was the duty of the state, the welfare state, to provide them land. But instead, since they were not provided land, they searched for their own land. And in the search of vacant land, they got settled in government lands. And after being settled here for decades, now the government of Assam and the district administration have evicted them without any rehabilitation. The children of those families are now forced to live beneath the open sky. The woman's modesty is compromised. There is a serious violation of human rights. Further, we know that our history is being tried to be stolen from us. The legacy of madrasa education, which we all know, the first education minister of India got educated in the madrasa. The former chief minister of Assam, Tarun Gogoi, started his schooling education from a madrasa. But recently, the government madrasas are being converted to general schools. And recently a madrasa in the district of Bongaigaon has been demolished, citing some lame excuse. So these things have been continuing since the advent of the new governments, to be more specific, the BJP government. We are here to provide informations and to make it a national debate. Since we live in the remote northeast, the problems we are facing is immense. People are running from door to door, trying to prove their citizenship, trying to prove them that they are Indian, which was never required. So the threat perceived by the people of India with regard to NRC and PR is very genuine, and we are the burning example of that. So these are the things which we will discuss today, and we'll try to find a way out. And so we have invited some guests, and which already has been said before you all. Our senior advocate, the former Union Cabinet Minister Salman Khurshid Sir, who has led the Ministry of External Affairs, Law and Justice, and also Minority Affairs. And he has been the leading advocate of AAMSU, one of the leading advocates of AAMSU in the NRC case. And there will be Fujail Ahmed Ayubi Sir, the advocate on record, who is the guiding force in all the legal issues of AAMSU. There are the senior journalists such as Prasant Tandon Sir and Ravi Nair Sir, and Darsana Mitra Madam is already here. Before going to the guest, let us first felicitate our moderator Ankita Singh Ji. She has already started her task, but now I think it's the fit time to felicitate her with a traditional gamosa of Assam, and we'll invite Hasina Ahmed to come forward and to felicitate her with a traditional Assamese gamosa. Hasina Ahmed is the Assistant Secretary of All Assam Minority Student Union. She will felicitate Ankita Singh Ji. Anjali Singh Ji. I'm very sorry, Anjali Singh Ji. So with a hope that this symposium will yield fruits and will be a message for all that the people of India are united, and the people from outside the states, the intellectual from outside the state coming here and adorning this symposium will go way ahead in solving our issues. That's our hope. So I once again pass over the duties to the President of All Assam Minority Students Union to conduct this symposium in the way he deems fit. Thank you.